Users should pay special attention to the item type column and ensure all of the item types displayed are applicable for the deposit's currency. For example, if a Canadian item type appears in a U.S. currency deposit, review the item to ensure that the check has U.S. funds noted on the front of the item. If so, the item can remain in the deposit. Canadian items without U.S. funds noted on the face of the item that are in a U.S. currency deposit, or U.S. items in a Canadian currency deposit are not permitted and will result in a deposit adjustment or the item being dishonored. If the deposit is being reviewed by a capture user, delete the item from the deposit and recapture in the correct currency. If deposits are required to be reviewed by a supervisor prior to transmission, the supervisor user has the ability to disapprove a deposit if it requires corrective action by the capture user. Only open balance deposits can be disapproved. From the deposit list, click the Edit icon to select an open balance deposit and make note of the deposit currency. Review the item types to ensure the items captured are of the correct currency for the deposit. Optionally, click on the View Item History icon. This will display any changes that were made by a capture user under the User Actions section below the image on the Item History screen. To disapprove a deposit that requires correction, consider adding a note to the deposit instructing the capture user how to correct the deposit. Click the Disapprove button and click OK to confirm your decision when prompted.